Luxury high-rise living is so much more than just about views. It's about an elevated lifestyle from the shopping, the dining, and all the incredible entertainment. Now imagine this, imagine having crystals right in your backyard. So today we're going to be highlighting one of my brand new listings with Kristen Routh Silberman here in the high-rise of Veer East. I'm so excited to show you around, so let's get started right now. Today we are here at the Crystals Shopping Center, part of this incredible project, CityCenter, that was completed in 2010. And what's so amazing is I actually was here when this project was built because I was one of the original sales executives, and this goes back about 15 years. And what's so amazing is how well this project has really taken off and how it's really evolved and matured with time. And Veer Towers is really the premier residences right in the center of everything. Right here in your own backyard, you have all of the gorgeous crystals and all the incredible shopping and dining right here, right next to your building. And then, of course, since 2010, there has been so much more development. You now have T-Mobile Arena if you ever want to catch a hockey game. You, of course, have Allegiant Stadium right in your backyard. And, of course, let's not forget also the Park MGM, the Dolby Live, Bruno Mars, Maroon 5. Imagine all the concerts that you can walk out from your residence and see if you were living here in Veer Towers. So we are here actually kind of early in the morning. So one of the things we're going to go do prior to ever getting up into the residence that we are going to be taking a look at today, which is a gorgeous 2-bedroom residence on the 25th floor of Veer East. But before we do that, we're going to go grab a cup of coffee and enjoy a little downtime before we go look at the unit. By the way, we are at Bar Centro, which is by Jose Andres. And what's kind of cool is this has been many things. And what I really love is that when you live at Veer Towers, or if you live at Waldorf Astoria, any of the locations here within what is called CityCenter, you really get a front row seat to the evolution of Las Vegas. Now, I've been a resident here in Las Vegas for almost 20 years. And again, actually did the original sales here at when it was CityCenter, and it was the Mandarin Oriental. Now, of course, even back then, the city was an incredible dynamic place. What I find really amazing is just how much has changed in just even the last 15 years. So one of the things that I mentioned earlier is when CityCenter first came into existence and all of this was first built, there was no T-Mobile, there was no Dolby Live, there certainly wasn't an Allegiant Stadium. And now even across the street, they've opened up the new Boulevard shopping center, which is gonna have a Lululemon, an incredible Puma store, which I haven't seen yet, so I have to take a look at that, as well as what will be, I think is it the largest In-N-Out burger in the country? Maybe I'm testing Micah on that one. But what is so neat about living here, right here on the Strip, is you really get to witness firsthand how Las Vegas is constantly reinventing itself, is always on the front lines of entertainment. And being able to live here and experience it is really, truly makes it a lifestyle like none other. Imagine your lifestyle in this incredible building. We are truly in the center of it all. Right off, of course, Las Vegas Boulevard. You have the Crystals, you have Aria, and you have Waldorf Astoria, all right here in your backyard. And what's so nice too is really walking distance to the Cosmopolitan. You can even take the tram over to the Bellagio or even Park MGM. I just want to make note of this because we're here. I did not plan this, but I literally matched this lollipop, and I think that is like super awesome. So without any further delay, I'm really excited to show you this gorgeous residence on the 25th floor here in Veer East. And without further ado, let's go take a look. Luxury design? Check. Glamorous lifestyle? Well, possibly a double check. We are now here in the gorgeous residence here in Veer East. We are in residence 2512, just over 1,300 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and just everything you would be looking for if you are dreaming of a luxury experience right here in the Veer Towers here at CityCenter in Las Vegas. Now, one of the things I absolutely love are all the views from these stunning floor-to-ceiling windows that really run across the entire residence. So from over here, you have the strip, and then, oh look, and then you can see where the boulevard's going in. I really want to check out that new Puma store. It's supposed to have like a really cool like Formula One experience. And considering I'm not a very good driver, it's probably the closest I will ever come to actually being a Formula One driver. It's probably the safest thing for everybody. Anyway, back, here you have Waldorf Astoria, Park MGM, Dolby Live, Aria, and then because we are in Veer East, here is Veer West. What is so neat about these two buildings is they do actually lean, giving some really dynamic views. And because of the lean of the towers, there's actually no two residences that are exactly alike. Now, from this view, you can also see another piece of Aria and all the way to Cosmo. So you can really see how much you are truly having this experience where all of Las Vegas is really sitting in your backyard. No matter how you use this residence, no matter what your lifestyle is, imagine waking up here in the morning and enjoying these beautiful views, going downstairs maybe to Bar Centro and grabbing that amazing coffee that I just had, or maybe just taking a walk, stroll down the strip before it gets too hot. Or if you really want to make your day start right, maybe going up to the gym and having a great workout, and maybe even lounging by the pool. All of these options absolutely available to you here in Veer Towers. Not only, of course, do you have this incredible lifestyle, this particular residence, take a look at this primary bedroom. And opens up into your bath. Imagine having a soak in this gorgeous tub. And then wrapping around to your private bathroom over here. This is really all of your space. And then on the other side is you have another full bedroom and bath. That's really nice if you have guests, or of course, honestly, if you buy a residence here in Veer, more than likely you are going to have guests, because a lot of people, I am sure, are going to want to check out this incredible lifestyle and really enjoy this space. So here is your really comfortably sized secondary bedroom. And then Micah, turn around because I want them to go to see the view from this residence. So 25th floor, again, here in Veer East. What we're really going to do now, because again, the residence is gorgeous, absolutely. You know, if you're looking for something as far as maybe you're just here 6 months out of the year, maybe you're here full time, or maybe this is just some fun weekend place that you get to enjoy when you have some time off. Any way you slice it, this is really an amazing experience. One of the things I really do want to show you, because it really does kind of speak to the lifestyle here, is let's go up to the rooftop so you can see the fitness center and this absolutely breathtaking pool that's right at your fingertips. Now imagine having this amazing amenity, this absolutely stunning rooftop pool right at your fingertips. Come up in the morning for the swim, maybe in the evenings to end your day. This will be the experience that you have living in this amazing building called Veer Towers. How about working out with an amazing view of Las Vegas Boulevard? Let's come take a look at this. So this gym is open 24 hours. and you just have some spectacular strip views right from your workout here of the Las Vegas Strip. So imagine just having this experience, the pool deck, this fantastic gym. There is also a residential lounge, all here as part of the amenities for your lifestyle here at Beer Towers. So I hope you enjoyed your tour today of this spectacular residence here in Veer East in the incredible location of Las Vegas Boulevard. This particular residence, 2512, is now listed for $1,295,000. And as you can see, it is an absolutely beautiful residence. The lifestyle here is truly like none other. And you kind of have to experience it to understand how amazing it could be if you're interested in life here on Las Vegas Boulevard. Just want to thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more information about 2512, you can find all of the details in my blog at jennifergraffrealtor.com. Thanks again for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.